This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test a 4-wire oxygen sensor. First, always prioritize your safety before working on any vehicle components. Ensure the engine is cool to the touch and disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to prevent accidental shocks or short circuits. Always wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves and make sure the vehicle is securely supported before crawling underneath. Your well-being is truly paramount throughout this entire diagnostic process. 4-wire oxygen sensors are quite common, and understanding their wire functions is key to proper testing. You will typically find 2 heater wires, often the same color like white, which heat the sensor quickly for accurate readings. The remaining 2 wires are usually a signal wire, sending data to the engine's computer, and a dedicated signal ground. Correctly identifying these wires is the crucial next step in your diagnostic process. To test the heater circuit, first disconnect the sensor's electrical connector. Set your multimeter to the ohm setting, then place the probes onto the 2 heater wires. These are usually the 2 wires of the same color, often white. You should see a resistance reading typically between 2 ohms and 5 ohms. If your reading is significantly higher or shows an open circuit, the heater element is likely faulty and requires replacement. For the signal voltage test, reconnect the sensor and start your engine, allowing it to reach normal operating temperature. Use your multimeter, set to DC volts, to probe the signal wire and the signal ground wire. A healthy oxygen sensor signal should rapidly fluctuate between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts as the engine operates. This fluctuation indicates the sensor is actively monitoring the exhaust oxygen levels and sending vital data to your vehicle's computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.